How to use Solver in Microsoft Excel. Number 1. Open Excel. Click or double-click the Excel app icon, which resembles a green box with a white X on it. Solver comes pre-installed with both Windows and Mac versions of Excel, but you'll have to enable it manually. Number 2. Click Blank Workbook. This will open the Excel window, from which point you can proceed with enabling Solver. If you have an existing Excel file you'd like to use Solver with, you can open it instead of creating a new file. Number 3. Click File. It's a tab in the upper left side of the Excel window. On a Mac, click Tools instead, then skip the next step. Number 4. Click Options. You'll find this option at the bottom of the File menu. Doing so brings up the Options window. Number 5. Click Add-ins. It's a tab in the lower left side of the Options window. On a Mac, click Excel Add-ins in the Tools menu. Number 6. Open the Add-ins Available window. Make sure that the Manage text box has Excel add-ins listed in it, then click Go at the bottom of the page. On a Mac, this window will open after clicking Excel add-ins in the Tools menu. Number 7. Install the Solver add-in. Check the Solver box in the middle of the page, then click OK. Solver should now appear as a tool in the Data tab that's at the top of Excel. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.